Honor X9b review. Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce Honor's newest smartphone, the Honor X9b. We'll dive into its eye-catching design and impressive features in detail. If you're in the market for a new phone, this video is perfect for you. Remember, you are my motivation. Make my day by subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button and like the video. Now, let's get started and enjoy the review. Interest in mid-range phones has been growing recently, with many in the $200, $300 price range. While flagship phones used to be available at these prices, mid-range phones have become more expensive. Today, we're reviewing the Honor X9b 5G, a standout with its 5G supported curved screen. Let's jump into the Honor X9b review. First, let's look at the box contents. The package is quite rich, including an extra headset with a jack input and a Type-C converter. It also comes with a 35-watt fast charging adapter, power cable, and a transparent silicone case. Regarding the headset, its material quality is average, comparable to typical smartphone box headsets. While it doesn't deliver high bass and treble sounds, it's still a great addition. Overall, having the headset included is a big plus, as adapters and cases are standard in this segment, and the Honor X9b does not disappoint in this regard. Hello, my friend, I have a small request. Can you subscribe to my channel and make me happy? Honor X9b design. Let's talk about the phone's design. When held in hand, you'll notice a circular camera setup on the back, a common design in Honor models. At the center of this circle is the Matrix AI Vision camera inscription. The protrusion of the triple camera setup is very minimal, which contributes to the phone's slim profile despite housing a 108-megapixel main camera. The back of the phone features an orange vegan leather finish, with additional color options in green and black. The front sports a curved panel. On the right side, you'll find the lock key and volume controls, while the bottom houses a speaker, SIM tray, and USB Type-C port. The top has a second microphone for noise cancellation, but there's no infrared or secondary speaker. The left side is button-free. The curved screen and thin top and bottom bezels give the phone a premium feel. It features a 6.7-inch panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a maximum brightness of 1200 nits, ensuring the screen remains visible even in bright sunlight. Dear friend, can you subscribe to my channel and support me? Honor X9b screen. The Honor X9b stands out with its curved screen. This 6.7-inch panel boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate and an ultra-clear resolution of 1220 by 2652 pixels, making it ideal for gaming, watching TV shows, movies, or YouTube videos. The high screen-to-body ratio enhances the viewing and gaming experience. The phone's screen is also highly impact-resistant, thanks to Honor's ultra-rugged screen impact protection technology, which has a 5-star durability certificate from the Swiss-based Quality Control Center SGS. This technology aims to prevent screen breakage even if the phone is dropped from 1.5 meters. Dear friend, can you help me by subscribing to my channel, Honor X9b Performance? The Honor X9b is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset with a 4nm architecture, making it efficient on the power side. It also supports 5G, which is becoming increasingly relevant as many countries, including ours, are expected to adopt 5G soon. The processor is complemented by 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Additionally, the phone features 8GB of virtual RAM technology, providing a total of 20GB of RAM. It can handle games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile at medium settings without any lag or stuttering. In benchmark tests, the Honor X9b scored 512,751 points on Antutu, 919 points in single-core, and 2,696 points in multi-core on Geekbench. In the Trademark Wildlife test, it scored 2,392 points, and in the Wildlife Stress test, it scored between 2,386 and 2,391 points, indicating stable long-term performance. Dear friend, can you give me joy by subscribing to the channel Honor X9b camera? The Honor X9b features a 108 megapixel main camera capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Additionally, it has a 5 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro lens. The front camera comes with a 16 megapixel lens that can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. We took photos and videos both during the day and at night. When recording 4K videos, keeping the phone steady yields better results. For night photography, standing still helps achieve higher quality photos. Dear friend, can you help me by subscribing to the channel Honor X9b Battery Performance? The Honor X9b is equipped with a 5800 mAh battery, which can easily last for 2 days even with heavy usage. Thanks to the battery optimization in Android 13 and Magic OS 7.2, it can extend to 3 days of use. The phone also supports quick charging with the included 35-watt fast charging adapter. Honor claims that the battery will maintain over 80% health even after 1000 charging cycles, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you're in the market for a mid-range phone, the Honor X9b is a strong contender. It boasts long battery life, an efficient next-generation processor, a durable curved screen, and 5G support. These features make the Honor X9b a standout model in the mid-range segment. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to support me, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell button to be notified about upcoming videos. And don't forget to like. Bye.